Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Freshdesk CRM contacts and tickets history, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup your Freshdesk CRM contacts and tickets history, begin by logging into your Freshdesk account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Contacts section on the left sidebar. In the Contacts section, you will see a list of all your contacts. Look for the Options menu, usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. Click on this Options menu and select Export from the drop-down list. You will be prompted to choose the export format. Select your preferred format, typically CSV, for easy access. After making your selection, confirm the export process. The system will begin generating your contact data file. You will receive a notification once the file is ready for download. Click the download link provided in the notification. Now, move on to backing up your tickets history. Return to the main dashboard and navigate to the Tickets section. Here you will find a comprehensive list of all your tickets. Again, locate the Options menu within the Tickets section. Click on the Options menu and choose Export like you did previously. Select the format for your ticket data export. Confirm your choice, and the system will process your request. Wait for the notification indicating that your ticket history file is ready. Click the link to download your ticket's history file. Once both files are downloaded, save them securely in your preferred storage location. Consider organizing them in dated folders for easy retrieval in the future. Regularly backing up your data will ensure you have a record of both contacts and tickets. This practice helps maintain your workflow and prevent data loss. You have now successfully backed up your Freshdesk CRM contacts and tickets history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.